Hello everyone, this is Islam Ahmed and we will talk today about digital temperature controllers. Digital temperature controllers are mostly used in industries like plastic, process control and so more. The first component of it is the digital controller itself, which controls the temperature at set point. The controller may be P, proportional, PI, proportional integer, or PID, proportional integral derivative controller, which controls the temperature according to the input signal from thermocouple and take action to the heater to maintain and preserve the temperature at the particular set point. This is the main function of it. Let's see the other components we need. We need a contactor or solid state relay to open or close the heater. So after connecting each component together, we get the digital temperature controller. So how we can connect them? By using this diagram, we can connect the digital controller. The first thing, we connect the power supply to 17 and 19 contacts, then connect the relay coil and thermocouple and other components exactly like this diagram. So let's see a video after connecting the components. This controller may be used as multi-controllers together to keep the temperature of something long like molding runner in plastics injection machines. They are put in a case like this. All the wires of the thermocouples and heaters are connected to a 16-pin connector to be connected after that to the injection molding plastics machines. The presented diagram shows the connection of each thermocouple and heater. By this way, the connection is kept robust and easily used. All these pictures and videos I did in Al Markib Plastics factory in Saudi Arabia. Finally, I hope this my practical tutorial helps you and shows the main concept of digital controllers in industry. And thank you. See you in next videos, inshallah.